Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Bridget Pridgeon, and today I have a short impromptu video for you. I'm just standing out here in my front ground while I water my flower beds, and I said, why not do a impromptu video? I just got back from facilitating my DIY workshops that I do at local stores. So now the red that's here, I'm pulling out the red. I did one today at Steinmart stores here in Keller, Texas, and I just came home trying to relax, and I came outside to step number one. The first and foremost preliminary step is to clear your home of any clutter. I know. Everybody goes through a time where they have things pretty much everywhere. I'm actually dealing with some clutter issues right now. But the first thing is you have to make room for the decor and things that you're bringing into the space. So you want to clear the clutter first. Next step two is to determine your style. Oh my goodness. At the workshop, determine your style. How many of you know what your style is? Or even know what I mean when I say determine your style? That's good. That's very good. Okay. Traditional opinion. You don't like what I have. What about that?
I like traditional with a twist.
Okay, so what's your twist?
Unexpected kind of whimsical.
You know what their style is. They say, well, I know what I like when I see it, but they don't know what to call it. And that's fine. That's fine if you don't have a name to actually attach to it, but just determine your style and come up with a theme. Develop a theme. I also had one lady to state that she never thought about developing a theme when it came to decorating her home, but she's into planning different parties and events with the women's group that she's involved in, and she said we always talk about a theme with that, but she never thought about developing a theme when it comes to decorating your home for the holidays. Determine a focal point for your space, whether that is your tablescape like I taught on today, creating a fantastic tablescape. Mantle. You have a fireplace. Most people design around that mantle. But if you find one particular area or space and make it the focal point, it's so much easier. One red flower in the midst of all of these yellow flowers is a focal point here. And the same concept applies to when you're decorating for your holiday. I love flowers, so decorating is not all that I do. I love gardening and tending to my babies, and they are doing so well since we've been having some beautiful weather here in Texas. And so I just have to take advantage of this time of year before it gets too cold. Come out, check those babies out. Lastly, the bonus, don't forget about your guests. Always make an area that is warm and cozy and inviting for all of you. Make them feel comfortable in your space.
Like in their bedroom or like in the living area or what?
Actually, in both.
I would probably leave some little cute something for them to eat or bathe with or something like that.
Okay, all right. So what I would suggest is adding little reading nooks around your home. Like this nice chair is a perfect way to have a cute chair with a nice pillow in it. Maybe a little small side table where they can put their coffee on. They can sit there and read a book. It's all about making them feel comfortable, but this is another place that you may not have thought about that you can add your theme in. And a great tip for that is your bar cart. Utilize your bar carts, your console tables, your tea carts as other alternatives for you to add pizzazz to your theme to make your theme cohesive through the home. This is a great way. Another thing is to not forget about your bathroom. Your bathroom is another way for you to implement your theme and create that coziness that you have, or that theme, or that overall feeling that you're portraying throughout your home. Shower curtain, fresh towels, change out your shower curtain. You can even go a step further and get nice soaps and little miniature sample size toiletry items and decorate your bar cart or your tabletop in your guest room or your area where you'll have your guests staying. So those are some quick tips that I have for you guys to help you decorate your home like a pro for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got something from the video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. If it's something that you see or you want to see more of it, please comment below and let me know. And I hope to see you around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you know of anybody that may be interested in the things that I have to offer, please share. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll know exactly when I upload a new video. So, until next time, bye.